Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add SPF record for Google Workspace in domain hosting. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in manage advanced DNS record and we are going to add TXT record for SPF record for Google Workspace, and then you see add record, so click on it. Now pop-up open and then you see add advanced DNS record, select TXT and then you see refer to, select @ So we are going to add TXT value for SPF record for Google Workspace. Now go to Notepad, now copy this and you will find all value and record in video description or in comment section. Now copy back to hosting and then in TXT value now paste and then you see TTL. Now select, so you can select time according to requirement. Now select 1 hour and then click on add. Now record is added and refresh the page. Now go to TXT section. So this is our new TXT record for SPF for Google Workspace we added. Now you see, but we have now 2 SPF record, so we are going to delete other. So this is our other SPF record, so we are going to delete it. Now click on it and then you see delete, so click on it and then you see delete advanced DNS record, so click on delete and then you see message success advanced DNS record updated. Now we are going to wait for propagation period time. So we added SPF record for Google Workspace and we deleted other SPF record. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.